it's Lushawn. If you've just found my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. So, I know this is a little different. You guys usually don't see my face, you usually see my hands. But I just felt I needed to do a face-to-face intro for this video that you will be seeing because it just caught me off guard and I was so overwhelmed. But I got my first PR product and my PR package, and I just want to personally and face-to-face thank UniquelyShon for sending me a PR package. It was just out of the blue, which PR packages probably should be. But yeah, so I was just, I'm still just shocked and over the moon. It was an awesome gesture, and I guess that officially makes me an influencer. So yeah, I'm super stoked, and I will be, of course, utilizing the package, but you'll take a look in the video. It's coming. And yeah, if you haven't checked out UniquelyShon, you guys know I have been purchasing her products for a while. I really love her designs and her prices. That's a plus. And yeah, so I'll have her linked in the description box below, so that if you are interested, you can check out her Etsy shop, and she's also on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to do a face-to-face to just say thank you to UniquelyShon for providing me with my first PR package. So super stoked about that. And yeah, so enjoy the video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye. I'm super happy. I had to go out of town last week for work, and when I got back home, I had a mail, of course, and then I had a package, and I looked at who it was from, and I was like, I knew I needed to order some, I didn't need to, but I wanted to order some budget kits. And lo and behold, it was a package from UniquelyShon, and she sent me a promo package. So I am like super duper excited. My very first promotional package. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Of course, I had to like sneak a peek, but let's go ahead and take a look at what was in the package. So of course, she packaged it exactly the way I've had her kits before. I've ordered her kits before. I love her work. I love the speediness of her shipping, and I love her price. Yeah, I was just overwhelmed. I couldn't believe it. So inside, she sent me the kit along with a card, and just a really beautiful card, and it just said, Lushawn, I just want to personally thank you for showcasing my budget stickers for the last few months. I've been watching your budget videos for a while because your budget seems more realistic to life and the advice that you give. Anyhow, you don't have to showcase these, but I hope it gives you a small break in your budget. And then I won't put her name out there or anything like that. But yeah, so like I said, I love her work, and when you do good work, I support it. So for her to give me a promotional package was really cool, and of course I'll showcase them because they're beautiful. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I received in the package. Okay, so we have, she sent October budget, and she sent also a November's budget. So let's take a look at October first. Focus, focus, focus. Bring your ass Okay, so the colors coincide. I use the Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner, so of course the colors do coincide with the color for the month of October. She even sent, you know, like the option that I always pick when I do purchase. So this is October, and instead of like gooey stuff, she has butterflies and bats. So that's not, you know, like horror. It's actually very pretty. But yeah, you get in her kits, you get the washi for the headers for both pages in the Erin Condren, or you could use it in a happy planner as well, or just in your notebook if you're just using some line paper or whatever. And then of course the header washi with that. I do the budget with the paycheck 1 and 2. She also provides it if you want to do like debt tracker, I believe, and can't remember the other one that she does. But yeah, I always do paycheck 1 and 2 because that's the way I do my budget. But she has that, and then along with some separator strips here, washi tape. And then the extra, what I use the 2 blank ones for, I use for sinking funds and my debt snowball. I don't really use the headers she has here because I capture a little bit more things than the way she has it, but you definitely could utilize it the way she has it. I do the most, so I write down a whole lot more than probably most people do in their budget, but hey, that's just me. I'm extra. And then she has some script, cash envelopes, sinking funds. Oh, that was the other one. I think she does cash envelopes. I don't personally track cash envelopes. I probably should start, but I do sinking funds. And then you have the payday stickers. You have the little piggy for the savings. Again, some more washi. And then these are the bill due stickers. And then she coincides the color with what's going on in the washi. So it's really pretty and very coordinated. And she actually gave me extra bill due stickers, so that was really cool as well, because I think I can get by with these, but this is great. So yeah, so that is what I got for October. And then for November, these are absolutely gorgeous. I am totally here for these colors. Look at those colors. I hope they are picking up well on the camera, on your screen. I hope you see, I mean, that color, to throw in that pretty like seafoam color with the gold and the rust and a little bit of purple. Oh my God, that is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. And again, this is the way I do it on my main page in my Erin Condren. I would do these 2. This would be my on my calendar dashboard layout. I would utilize these 2, and then but the headers I would do once I do my full-on month budget, when I outline each one. So again, it's pretty much the same like the October, but oh my God, the colors are stunning. Look at the bill due stickers. Aren't those pretty? She even did like a gray one. That is so pretty. I am totally loving these colors. Who would think to put those colors together? That is just so gorgeous. I really love this. I can't wait to use this kit. It's gonna come out really nice. And then of course I have my the extra blank washes that I use for paycheck 1 and paycheck 2, along with there's some more of course some more headers for your different categories, if you want a dated amount description based on what you use it for. Again, because I do mine a little bit different, I don't really need to use the headers that are there, but I absolutely do love the I will use the strips of washi as separators. I do use this. I use, you know, I use her, the payday stickers and whatnot. So yeah, so this is, oh, I'm just so, I want November to hurry up and get here so I can use November, because that is so freaking stinking cute. I love it. Look at these colors. Very different, very pretty. So yeah, yeah guys, so that is what I got in my promo package. I'm super duper excited, and I want to say thank you to UniquelyShon. She has just been just so accommodating, and I really do appreciate when someone, you know, just thinks of doing something like this when they don't have to. I definitely I gotta start planning for a giveaway, because you know I like to pay it forward, and I'm creeping up on hitting that 1K mark. So I definitely, in subscribers, so I definitely want to pay it forward, because this is just so overwhelming, and I'm just so thankful to UniquelyShon. If you're watching, girl, thank you so much that you didn't have to do this, but I am truly appreciative, and I definitely will showcase both months, and of course I will continue to support you. This is just, wow, this is just beyond the pale, and I truly do appreciate it. So if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you are a lifestyler, and until my next video, hugs and love.